Hey Trailblazers, it's Mrs. Anderson with a new edition of Tips for the Trailblazer. This week, I want you to be thinking about two words. The first word is family, and the second word is equity. So why would I want you to think of the word family? It's kind of a weird word to be thinking about when you're at school, right? Well, here's why. You're going to be seeing the same faces day after day, week after week, month after month, with a few new faces in between every once in a while. But the more you realize that we all are a family at this school, then the better off you will be. Because family encourages one another. Family members help each other. Family members want each other to succeed. And you see, that's what we do here at Truman. We help each other, we encourage one another, and we want each and every one of you to succeed. That's why you'll be thinking of family here at Truman, because we are a family here at Truman. The people in your classroom, they're your family. The people at this school, we're like your family. Okay, so the second word, remember, is equity. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Equity. Hey, I didn't hear all of you. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Equity. So what equity means is that everybody is going to get what they need in order to be successful. So what does equity look like in the classroom, you ask? Well, let me show you. Let's say your teacher is teaching you a new math lesson. Here's your teacher. Here's the board where the math lesson is being taught. Here are the students' desks, where each student is sitting at their desk, listening to the lesson. Their voices are off as the teacher teaches. Their pencils are in their hands. And they're quietly listening to the lesson. Let's say most of the students in your class are understanding the lesson, and because they are understanding the lesson, they move on and start to work on the math assignment independently. They're working on their own, they know what to do, and so they do it. But as you know, people have different needs, and the same goes for the students in your classroom. You all have different needs. So let's say student 1 needs a little bit more time on this new math assignment. Your teacher, being wise and understanding, will most likely give student 1 more time because your teacher wants student 1 to be successful on this new math assignment. Your teacher wants student 1 to do well and to understand how to solve the math problem. Now let's say student 2 does not need more time on the math assignment, but student 2 needs a different amount of problems to complete. In order to be successful on this new math assignment. Your teacher, knowing that the students in the classroom have different needs, will most likely allow student number 2 to complete a different amount of problems than the other students in the class. Because your teacher wants student number 2 to be successful with this new math assignment as well. So you have to ask yourself, was your teacher being fair? Or was your teacher demonstrating equity? Fairness is when everyone gets the same exact thing to reach the same exact goal. The goal in this example is to do well on this new math assignment. Equity is when everyone receives different things in order to reach the same exact goal. As you can see, your teacher demonstrated equity because your teacher gave student 1 and student 2 and the other students in the classroom different things in order to reach the same goal, which was to do well. I hope that helps you understand what equity means and what equity looks like in your classroom. You will see it every day because every single person at this school wants you to be successful and wants you to do well. So there you have it. At this school, we are a family, and at this school, we demonstrate equity every day. Until next time, this is Mrs. Anderson. Make it an awesome week.